Hello guys, this is Rohit and you're watching Salesforce Jungle, and today is very important topic, and how it is important, what we are gonna do, that I'll explain you. The topic is a satellite view. Like, I'll give you the scenario. So you are making a Salesforce project in which I have a multiple salesman. I gave you the order in which I have a multiple salesman, like 100 or 200, and I have some dependent team on that under which they are working and they are observing where we are going, right? So sometimes what happened, salesperson went with their sales, like they have an app or they are, yeah, they actually, like, the salesperson have Salesforce app as a fund. So they are using that, and they're going to the separate companies, vendors, or wherever they want to pitch for their products. And over there, they're creating the accounts. If they're getting any customer, they want to create the account. Okay. So the first step. Now, how we will get to know what is the order, whether they went there or not there, where where we have sent them, whether they went there or not. Like, I am in Delhi, my sales team is in Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore. I told them to go to the separate location in Bombay, and I told Bangalore team to go to separate location in Pune. How I get to know whether they went there or not, or they have just called them on phone and told me that I have updated in the list, Salesforce, and everything is going well. So for that particular thing, client is very very particular about whether my salesperson went there for the pitch, for the order or not, because when we are doing face to face marketing, that is far better than go just calling to the person and asking him for order. So for that particular thing, he made some changes and he want us to make a satellite view, so that whenever the lead is generated, whomsoever the person has generated the lead, we will get the update whether he went to that particular location for the pitch or not. This is the scenario. So how technically we are going to do it, and we want to show that, like, he will, like, I am the salesperson, I went there on a particular location. I went there and I opened my app, created the account, and over there I have mentioned my name. This is Rohit Puri, and I have created the account. After that, on the place where I created the account, I have written the amount, I have written the products that a customer or a vendor want. On that particular location where the account is created, that should be noted. This is the main concept. This is the main concept with a of particular thing. So what is the two scenarios that came is create the account and schedule the visit. I have visited over there. You have to create the account. What is the update? Sometimes we want updates of our customer. We are not selling, actually we want update. So whether we took the update, we went there, took the update, because our command is to go there and to take the update. So if we went there or not. So this is the main concept. How we did it, how we'll get to know whether the person went there at that time, at that day, in that particular location or not. Because any Bangalore guy, any Mumbai guy can tell me, yes, okay, fine, I went there and it's fine. So for that, how the location is coming, that I have shown you. This is the particular location. There's nothing but the location. How the system work, how it is working. So I'll show you this thing at the end. Now we will go to the account. So I already opened one account. This is the account I made, and this is the trial account in which I made the account over there in the app. Okay. So now this is the location. This is location. This is nothing but the location of that particular shop or a vendor where I went. So this is the location. So if you click on new location, click on new location. Okay. So any, if any location you want to add, you can add east, west, whatever the region. Okay. Street, anything you want to add, you can add. So this is the trial. Okay. So okay, because this location doesn't matter at all. Doesn't matter in that particular map. So you have made one location, GST number. It should take this. Save it. Okay, so we have saved one location. Okay, this is the location that we have created. Here we have written the test. So now one guy visited, right? So we need to create the visit. I have created the visit over there, so I need to make a record of visit. Here the game starts. How the location is coming. How the location is coming? Location is coming from visit. So visit has a apex page in which I am noting that particular account name. So I took the account name over here, login address. So longitude and longitude of login address or logout address, wherever, whatever. So latitude and longitude I have taken because the location that we are able to see over there is nothing, just a longitude and latitude. So it will calculate the longitude and latitude. So when you will go to the visit, so here this is the location. If you when you are going to visit and going to create the visit, so this some bottom so some pop-up will come to allow you the access of that particular location. So that location will be taken from the satellite from our current device and take the current state of longitude and latitude of that particular device so that it can fetch the data. How, what code I have written for this, that I'll explain you. Go to the visit page account. Okay, here I have created the visit and I have queried the visit object in which I have longitude and latitude. Okay, so these are the APIs of longitude and latitude, latitude, longitude. Okay, so here we have save to save button. So to save the longitude and latitude, so we just want the current location uh, of our device. Okay, so here longitude time system dot now, and here we have a longitude address and we are mapping with edit save. So if we want to edit the save device, the saved record, then we have to map it with existing one. Okay, so so from where it is calculating, here in the backend we haven't written anything, we have written the JavaScript. So let's go to the JavaScript and how we have fetched the value. So window.download, when the window is loading, so we'll have written the function in which we are taking the position, current position, and console.log POS. And in this, we are taking geolocation of that particular device. In this geolocation, get current position, whatever the current position of the particular device. So if device is not supported, so it will not take the longitude and latitude. It will remain zero. It will not fetch the value. Ultimately, this is the only thing that I have written in the front, and then that I have written the longitude, latitude, whatever the variable that we have used over there, and I've assigned it to the VF page. So nothing much. It is very simple code. So I just take the current location, current geolocation that we are using in JavaScript. So that I took and just embedded in the VF page, and I make it visible on the VF page and through the Apex class. Okay. So how we got the longitude, latitude, that I have explained you. Longitude is here, latitude is here. Now to show the game, to show the movie, backend we have created. So go to the visit map. Okay. So this is the longitude, time, and latitude. So this is the login time and logout time. What is the login time and logout time? What is the username? Okay. Username is Bhavya, and account name. What is the account name? This is the account name. So this will, when you will click here, it will search. If you go anywhere, it will search, refresh itself. So if you go anywhere in this, but if you click on the search option, it will go directly to that particular location where we have Vasuli. This is the one like I have added location. Any location you can check whether it's working or not. It will definitely work, so that because longitude and latitude is there. We have added login time is when that person has logged and when we are login, when we have log out. So this is the main motive to show you how to track the person. Where is he? Where he is located now? Currently, where he is. So if you want to see currently where he is, you can get to know this is the person where he is roaming around. The sales guy. Whether he went to that particular location, whether he created the record
in that particular location or not, because he can't get longitude and latitude of that particular thing in the Google, right? This is the main concept behind it. So I think you got the scenario. I'll show you the code once, what code we wrote here. So it is nothing, just we have just queried it. Visit, this is the visit object, and we have created the visit object, and here you can see VF page account, longitude time, latitude time, and here I have just make it visible on the VF page. That's it, nothing much. So I think you got the idea. So I think you have seen the code as well. So this is this is nothing. If you don't want also, you can't. If you have user and account name, then also you can fetch, not a problem. So this is the main scenario to show you that how the sales, if there are multiple salesperson and you're sitting somewhere else, you want to track whether my salesperson is working or not. For that purpose, this is the scenario that we are using in the Salesforce. So you need to create from the account, you need to create one address or whatever the account in which you want idea. That is your field if you want to create or not. Second, you have to create a visit object in which they will just click on the account from which company you are creating and their username. So this user has created that particular user name will come and it will display where that user has created that particular record. Thank you for watching my videos. So if you want to learn in detail, start from first video itself. Don't start from coding videos. If you want to learn trigger, I have separate videos for trigger. So we are coming up with advanced trigger also. So we'll update a video soon, and we are coming up with some development videos also. So do subscribe our channel. We'll coming up with some interesting videos. Thank you for watching my video.